Your Z Fold 6 is not charging, maybe even has a black screen. So what we need to do, the first fix, is we're going to long press both power and volume down together. So press and hold these two down and keep them held down for 15 to 20 seconds. If your phone has a black screen, you may need to hold it down for 45 seconds and we'll wait for the Samsung logo. Once we see the Samsung logo, we can release. So hopefully this was just a software glitch. The force restart will fix that. If it's not, then we need to investigate the charging port. So what I'll do is I'll get a torch and we'll just look in the port and check if there's any dirt or dust. If there isn't, like mine, don't proceed with this step. But if there is, what we need is a thin needle, or you can even use your SIM ejector tool. Make sure it's in the horizontal view like this. So from the bottom right of the port, push the SIM ejector tool down, then push across and pull up. And so you should notice dirt or dust coming out the charging port. And so if there's dust or gunk buildup, the connector may not be able to plug in properly. And so cleaning the charging port will help there. Another thing we can try is we're going to turn off the phone. So I'll just turn off the phone. Now once the phone is off, we can get 2 fingers and we're just going to press really hard from the back of the phone around the charging port. So the port cable may have unplugged from the phone. So by doing this, that should plug it back in. If you hear a click, then the charging port was unplugged. Once it's unplugged, you can connect your charging cable. Another thing is your charging cable may be the issue. So my MacBook charger, when I connect it, it says water's detected, even though there's no water. So it has a glitch in that case. And so you may not know this, but if you have your Z Fold 6 box and the top part of the box, you flip it around, there's this hidden Samsung leaflet which has a charging cable. And so use the Samsung charging cable to charge your phone and see if that helps. If all of these are not working, you have 2 options you can explore. Option 1 is to use wireless charging instead of wired charging. And so if we use the coil, we place it on the back of the phone, this will charge it. Now option 2, and I'd recommend this if your phone is new and you're having this problem, would be to book a repair with Samsung. So if you just search on Google Samsung repair, you'll find the Samsung website. This should be covered under warranty. So they will repair the charging port, give it back to you. You have 1 year free warranty in all countries. In the UK and EU, you get 2 years of warranty through consumer law. As long as you bought from Samsung.com, they will grant that request. And so hopefully this video helps.